Okay, so the day has come. I'm just recording my entire workflow. I'm just showing you how I work and what I'm going to do. So today is the day that I'm going to update and rebrand my YouTube channel. So I've done a lot of preparation in advance, and I'm following this plan right here. All right, so timing is very important. So the first thing you want to do is, so I've already done a lot of stuff. So now I'm on to phase 2 and phase 3. So step 1 in phase 2 is I want to update my playlist, and this is what they call soft recategorization. So you want to do this first and fully before you actually change the banner, title, and description. So over here, so I'll have two screens open. So you can see that column A is my original playlist and their descriptions. All right, and then over here, I've renamed some of these playlists I'm going to use, and then I'm going to be eliminating some playlists. So I currently have 9 playlists. I'm going to be reducing that to 6 to make my channel a little bit more clear where things are and why people are there. And so you can see that I have one new playlist, which represents the new branding of my channel. It's called ABC in the Middle, More Fun and Insights. And then a lot of these are going to be redone. So these are the orders. So this one's going to be the first one, or the first one after this one is going to be Learn Mandarin Phrases plus Chinese handwriting practice. All right. Yeah. So rebranded playlists. Okay. So these are the 6 right here. Sorry. These are the Learn Mandarin Phrases, Chinese handwriting practice. This is the original name of the playlist. And here is the new name of the playlist. So it's actually the same playlist, but it will have a different name. So now instead of this, it's Chinese moments, Mandarin phrases plus pinging plus handwriting. I'm following kind of a format. So this is ABC in the middle, more fun plus instant insights. This is between two worlds, ABC dad plus reactions plus vlogs. So between two worlds, ABC dad plus reactions plus vlogs is going to replace this old one, which is generational ABC American Born Chinese podcast. All right. So each one of these is kind of like that. So instead of Mandarin Storytime, famous kids books read in Chinese, which is the old title, is now Mandarin Storytime, bilingual plus bedtime plus reading. I've also rewritten the descriptions to make them tighter and more concise. And actually, what's really important is what this kind of first sentence says, because a lot of times when people scroll through playlists, they don't open the playlist to see the entire description. They only read that first line. So that first line is important. And down here's how I'm consolidating my current playlist. So for example, I used to have a playlist called Provocative China Love, Hate, Curious. This was a brand that I was trying to develop before I started doing children's books. And now I'm changing it to Learn Chinese Thinking, Guanxi plus Face plus Psychology. All right. This 5th playlist, the 6th, 9th, and 8th, all of the videos that are in these are just going to all go into this one playlist. So I'm essentially consolidating 4 playlists into one playlist in this one right here. And this is actually the least important, one of the least important playlists on my channel, but I want to keep everything there for those viewers who subscribed to my channel 2 years ago and are interested in the older content before I started writing children's books. All right. So this is my preparation. So here I have a sequence of how to do things. So I'm just going to start doing them. So I'm going to move some things around. All right. Let's see. All right, and I'll go to my channel. All right, okay. All right, so create your 6 new playlists. So you create one and you rename the other 5. All right, so first thing I want to do is I want to rename the ones that I want to rename. All right, so your channel. All right, let's see. So I need to go to YouTube Studio, I think. All right, and then go to my playlist. Okay. All right, so the first one I want to rename is Generational ABC Podcast. Okay, so let me find that. All right, so I'm going to edit that. All right, so instead of Generational ABC Podcast, this one is now called Between Two Worlds, and the description is going to change as well. All right, so I need to also make a note in my spreadsheet that it's been changed, so it helps me track it better. All right, so that's been changed. And actually, I'll change this too. So, oops. All right, so this shows me that actually the easy way to do it is just this. Okay, so this one's been done. All right, so this one has been done. I'm not going to change any thumbnails yet, and I'll hit save. All right, go back. The next one I'm going to change is Learn Mandarin Phrases plus Chinese handwriting. Learn Chinese phrases plus Mandarin handwriting. All right, so this one is now Chinese moments. And let's see the description. I think changed a little bit. All right, so short now. All right, save. All right, the next one is Mandarin Storytime. All right, so this title now changes to this. And this description now changes to, oops, sorry. I'll change this. Save. All right, and next is Provocative China. All right, so edit that one. This title changes to that. And this description, again, all the descriptions try to be as short as possible, so that. All right, and then the final one. Okay, so what do you say to a friend from China? So actually, I think for this one, this is going to be the last playlist, and I actually think it didn't change. Let me see. The title's not going to change. Okay, so I changed the description a little bit. All right, so that's the only thing I changed there. Okay, so that's done. Okay, now I need to create a new playlist. And let's see, how do I create a new playlist? Playlist. So I can have 12 total, so how do I create a new playlist? Dashboard. I don't even know how to create a new playlist right now. Let me see. Content. Oh, I think, did I go to my channel? Let's see. Playlist. Create a playlist. Customize channel. Okay, there we go. Home tab. All right, so this is where I create playlist, I think. Add a section. Single playlist. Oops, no, that's not how you do it. Single playlist. Any playlist I need to do. I need to create a new playlist. Profile. Okay, so, all right, so this is where AI comes in. All right. I use Ask Gemini. All right, YouTube channel. This is where I ask about YouTube channels related stuff. How do I create a new playlist for my YouTube channel? Let's see. Go to YouTube Studio, go to Content. Okay. All right. YouTube Studio, go to Content. And then what? And then left check that. Go to the top screen, just drop down menu, label new. New playlist. Okay. All right, new playlist. So the new playlist is. All right. So create. All right. So did I add videos yet? Okay. So. So ChatGPT did not tell me whether I should delete my old unwanted playlist now or categorize them first. Okay, so move categorize existing videos cleanly into these playlists. Okay, so that's what I need to do now. All right. I think the first thing I need to do is get all the playlists in the right order. How do I do that? Dashboard, content, playlist. Okay, so this one has 0 videos. All right, so first I need to figure out the playlist that I'm going to be eliminating. I need to put those in the right ones. All right, so we'll start with playlist 7. Playlist 7 is going into, let's see. All right, so playlist 7 is going into the Between Two Worlds playlist. Okay, so Western narratives on channels. So that one has not been changed, I think. All right, let's see. All right, there's 13 videos here. I'm going to edit that. No, that's not what I do. I'm just going to click on it. And then I'm going to look at the videos. All right, okay, so these are the videos here. All right, I'm going to get rid of this Gemini, get rid of these tabs that I don't need. All right, so I need to put all of these. Which one am I doing now? Okay, so I'm going to do this now. I'm going to highlight this. So I know what I'm working on. All right, so I need to put all these into the Between Two Worlds playlist. All right, so the easiest way to do that is to open up all of these into a separate tab. I recommend getting everything done and just biting the bullet and doing it all in one shot. Because if you do it piecemeal, you're going to forget where you left off, and it's going to be confusing, at least for me. So I'm glad I did all the work in advance. So essentially, I have a roadmap of what to do, and I'm essentially just copy and pasting. All right, so this playlist is now empty, and this is one of the ones I'm going to delete. So this was the mindset report, and now it has 0 videos. So I'm going to delete that. All right, perfect. All right, so this is done. All right, okay, so now it's time to rename some of these playlists, I think. All right, so is there still a generation now, ABC? There's now Between Two Worlds, ABC Dad. Okay, so I need Between Two Worlds, ABC Dad blog. Okay, so I'll create that one. Chinese moments, Mandarin phrases, handwriting. I created that one. Mandarin story, bilingual. Okay, so I've done that one. Learn Chinese thinking. I've done that one. What do you say different from China? I've done that one. All right, so solving China's unknown unknowns. Okay, so this is I think this is all hidden. No, it's public. What is this playlist? This playlist is a playlist, but this playlist is not displayed on my channel, I think. Or is it? All right, so let's all right, so let's see. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 playlists. So it's not displaying the ABC in the middle one because I think that one doesn't have any videos right now. Playlist. All right, so all right, customize channel again. Home tab. All right, so I have. All right, so now I need to put these in the order. So between two. Okay, so the first one's ABC in the middle. Okay, so that one's not there yet. Single playlist. Okay, so this one is. All right, so remove section, remove section, remove section. Add section contents. ABC in the middle. All right, so this one goes first, even though it doesn't have any content in it. ABC in the middle. Next one is Between Two Worlds, ABC Dad Reacts. All right, Between Two Worlds, ABC Dad Reacts. Next is Chinese moments. Okay, so that's right. And then Mandarin story time. That's right. And then learn Chinese thinking. And what do you say different from China? All right, so let me check that again. ABC in the middle, Between Two Worlds, Chinese moments, Mandarin story time, learn Chinese thinking. What do you say different from China? Perfect. All right. So I'm going to post that. All right. Okay, so that one playlist doesn't have anything, so that one's still not displaying. Yeah, that's just fine. Okay, so but the playlist is done, so I'm going to go back to this. Done. Okay. All right, so now the soft recategorization is done. Now the next step is the hard signal, visual metadata rebrand. Okay, so upload your channel banner, update your title, paste your channel description, upload your profile pic. This is a clear signal to YouTube. You do all at once that you're rebranding. Okay, so I am now going to customize my channel, and I'm going to change this. So I've already done this. YouTube, this is my new banner profile. See, perfect. Everything fits perfect. Done. And I'm going to change this one too. Profile image. All right. So I have everything here. The new name of the channel is ABC in the middle. I'm not changing the handle right now. New channel description. All right. So I don't have the channel trailer. All right. So let's see. What was it that I needed to do? All right, I can expand this all the way out so I can see everything. All right. So upload the banner, done. Change the title, done. Paste the description, done. Upload the profile, done. Okay. Done. Publish. All right. So that is a hard signal to the YouTube algorithm that this channel has major changes. All right. So let's see what that channel now looks like. Okay. Oops. So it did happen right away. All right. ABC in the middle. So maybe it takes a while for everything to upload. There we go. Okay. All right. So now ABC in the middle. American born, live China. No, born American, live China, married Chinese, father in America. There's ABC in the middle. Explore Chinese culture, psychology, and identity through the eyes of an American born Chinese American. ABC, father born, raised. Okay. So now that's good. All right. So the next step is to upload and pin your new trailer. Says feature for non-subscribers. Update. Okay. All right. So upload video. Videos. There's the video. Upload. All right. So this is the title. ABC in the middle. All right. So let's see. Description. Again, everything's, if you prepare, everything's just copy paste, so it just becomes simple. All right, so I'm going to get rid of all of these extra hashtags. All right, so there's a kind of a rule of thumb that 5 hashtags is optimal. So I'm using these 5 hashtags. Oh, thumbnail. Okay, so all right. So first of all, this goes into the ABC in the middle thumbnail playlist. Okay, but no, it's not for kids. Okay. All right. So I need a thumbnail. All right, so I'm gonna make that right now. I don't have a channel thumbnail. YouTube banner thumbnail maker. Okay, so all right, so okay, so the thumbnail will be this. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate that. So it's gonna be from this. All right, so the thumbnail. All right, so everything needs to be huge in the thumbnail because it's just one thing. So I'm gonna expand this to its maximum, and let's see how big I can make this. 150, maybe bigger. Can I go 180? Yeah, 180. Okay, and then the tagline. All right, so born ABC in the middle. Should I just make all these? No, that's American. I'll make it blue. Live China red. Chinese red. American blue. A blue. Chinese red. ABC in the middle. I'm gonna make this yellow. So it shows a better ABC in the middle. All right, so I'm gonna also improve this image. All right, let's see. So I need to. How does that look? All right, so I think I need to make the Hollywood stick out better, so I will lower this. That's better. ABC in the middle. I need that. American born, live China, married Chinese, father in America. ABC in the middle. So this is a thumbnail. So maybe I don't even need all this. And now I should make this. How does it look? I don't want to cover up ABC in the middle, and maybe I can. How about that? ABC in the middle, thumbnail. All right, let's go with this one for now. All right, so export, thumbnail, ABC in the middle, media. I'll call it thumbnail. All right, so. All right, next. End screen. So yeah, I think let's add end screen. But where do I add end screen? So just one video, one subscribe. Okay. So this is where I want the end screen to show up right here. Because I want to cover up this part of the video in between our differences together. All right, I'll make it even further down. And I'll do one subscribe. Save. Okay, no cards for this one. Public. All right, so I always save the link here so I can share it in case I want. All right, so let me see. Upload the video, says feature. Okay, so I've uploaded first before I can set the feature. So upload the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna publish this. Okay, I'm not gonna promote it yet. Okay. Dashboard. All right, so now I need to customize channel and change the home tab. So set as feature for non-subscribers. Okay, so change the video to this one. How about feature video for returning subscribers? Chinese greeting. Let's see. Change video. All right, I'm gonna do this one. Who cares? For now. All right, so the playlist, ABC in the middle, Chinese moments, publish. All right, go to channel. Born American, live China, married Chinese, and now fatherhood in America. I'm Gene, an American-born Chinese dad who grew up in white Southern. All right, so let's see. Okay, that's done. Live announcement. Okay, that's promoting it, so I'm not going to worry about that now. Ideal rollout timeline. Okay, I followed the ideal rollout timeline, I just did it all at once, which probably is going to be better. But I should monitor the playlist and video analytics. Okay, by doing this, will help YouTube guys retune your audience targeting more towards the adult cross-cultural learners you're now focusing on. You should expect a small algorithm recalibration that will take 1 to 2 weeks. Don't panic if views dip or shift temporarily. Consistency of content for this point forward is key. Align thumbnails, titles, and descriptions with new uploads with your new brand voice. Perfect. All right, so that's it. This is what my channel now looks like. And I'm going to put the screen recording after this so you can see what it was before at the end. And that's it. So I'm going to stop my screen recording. Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about how to greet people in Mandarin Chinese. Plus, we're going to practice our Chinese handwriting along the way. We all know the term "你好吗" as the classic Chinese greeting, meaning, how are you? But how can we go beyond just using this classic term? Today, I'm going to give you 2 better alternatives to use when meeting acquaintances in China. First, you could say 好久不见, which means long time no see. This is a very common and warm greeting used when you haven't seen someone in a while, and it expresses a sense of pleasant surprise and recognition when you're meeting the person. Next, you could also say 最近怎么样, which literally translates to how have you been recently? This is a slightly more engaging greeting that shows you're interested in what the person has been doing. Now, practice writing and saying these greetings to start your next conversation in China off on a more positive note.